Bible says in Romans chapter 12 verse 19, I read the last part. Now vengeance is mine, I will repay, said the Lord. Now one interesting thing about Christianity is that we don't pay back evil for evil. We pay back evil for good. If you see anybody who is called a child of God, who is called a Christian, and the person wants to repay the evil you've done to him with the bad thing, then know that that person is not really showing the lifestyle of Jesus. But there's something shocking you should know. That God has said he will repay. If God pays for that person, you'll be surprised. Now, there are some examples. In Hezekiah's case, God sent an angel to avenge Israel. Don't allow God to avenge for his child. So be careful. Don't forget to subscribe and please like and share.